and it exists at the institute so as to maintain grade variation across the subjects and classes, irrespective of marking pattern of the subject teacher as per the normal distribution, a well-established practice worldwide. Institute infrastructure. The institute infrastructure has considerably improved in the recent years. Few important new buildings became operational, and you have facilities, up-to-date, state-of-the-art facilities. You have got student activity center, health center, academic blocks, girls hostel, few boys hostel, and although you do not need hostel at present since it's online, but when you will come to the institute, we'll try to accommodate you all in our institute hostels. Because even in the last academic year, institute has provided hostel accommodation to all the students at their will, all the undergraduates at their will. And however, that continuously strength is increasing. So, but we'll try to accommodate at least the first year students, you students, in our hostel. Institute has also a dedicated health center to cater the medical facilities for the students, where medicines are also dispersed by the full-time institute doctors. Ambulance is also available round the clock to deal with any emergencies. Patna Medical College and its hospital is within a kilometer from the institute, and they do attend us on priority. Presently, your institute is in the heart of city, and as you can expect that it is a 100-year-old institute, a college of Patna University. So it has got a small, beautiful campus on the bank of Holy River Ganga. The campus is around 30 to 35 acres land, 34, 35 acres land. And all the facility exists in this campus. It is a beautiful campus. Bihar state government has also provided us a land, 125 acres land at nearby place, locality known as Beta, for the expansion of NIT Patna. Construction of boundary wall of our new campus is almost over. The planning of new campus is also over. It has been planned to be developed for more than 6,000 students in 3 phases, and around 2,000 students will remain at this present Patna campus. So as a phase 1 to accommodate around 2,500 students, Ministry of Education has already sanctioned around 500 crore for the development of additional campus at Beta. And I'm happy to inform you that Apart from this, such a economic situation of India, even under this pandemic situation, Ministry of Education has allowed us to go on constructing our new campus and utilize this 500 crore money, and we are in process of to start its construction, and I'm sure that by the time you will reach to the third and final year, you will get your final degree from the new campus, our additional campus. Other institutional activity, Institute has got Design and Innovation Center, known as DIC, where innovative projects are being carried out. NIT Patna is a spoke center and IIT Kharagpur is the hub center. Many projects related to the social sector has been completed and also under progress. Incubation center at NIT Patna is also active. 3 startup projects have been granted and financially supported by Bihar government, and many more are in pipeline. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI, Government of India has established seven ENICT Academy across India, and you will happy to note that NIT Patna is one of them. NIT Patna caters the need of our 4 states, namely Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal, for training the manpower in the field of electronics, computer and information technology. Also a scheme called Visvesvaraya PhD scheme for producing quality and applied PhDs in the field of electronics and computer science and engineering. Research scholars have pursued their PhDs. After successful completion of phase 2 of TechCube, that is a Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, popularly known as TechCube, Institute has successfully completed its phase 2, and presently Institute is executing its phase 3 with a grant of around 7.7 crore. NIT Patna is a mentor institute for Muzaffarpur Institute of Technology, Muzaffarpur, and Engineering College of Bihar government under this program. As far as research front is concerned, Institute is continuously and regularly executing sponsored research projects. At present, more than 50 externally funded R&D projects on the cutting edge technologies are under execution. These projects are funded and sponsored by agencies like BSDMA, BRNS, CSIR, DRDO, ISRO, METI, Ministry of Water Resource, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of Bihar, SERB, ICSSR, DRRDA, and others. You also have opportunity to work and get trained on these frontier areas as part of your formal coursework as well as informal additional project work if you opt for. Institute has got innovation center as well as tinkering lab in majority of the departments where you can convert your tinkering ideas into a real product. And as we know that all our tinkering ideas do not get converted, but certainly it provides a way to improve our skill, and certainly few of them clicks and they may start towards a startup and converting a engineer into an entrepreneur. We are also happy to announce that NIT Patna also regularly organizes specialized courses of 1 week or 2 week duration, where eminent professors and experts from India and abroad are invited to deliver series of lectures to the faculty as well as the students. Eminent experts from US, UK and other advanced country from academia and industries apart from the large number of our alumni regularly visit campus, delivering lectures, sharing their experience and expertise with the students. That helps to to make a bond, and this bridging helps to guide your career. Now our training and placement scenario of the institute is quite good, quite promising. Even for the last year, that is for the placement for the season 2019 pass out batch, 59 companies visited our campus for offering jobs to the undergraduate and postgraduate students of NIT Patna. The placement session started on 20th July 2019 and the initial slots were given to Sabri. Infotech giants like Oracle, Sabri, Infosys, Wipro, Optum, Capgemini, FactSet, among others, offered employment to our students. The highest package was 28.5 lakhs per annum, which was offered by Amazon. Handsome packages exceeding 10 lakhs per annum were offered by 12 companies. Samsung R&D offered 34 positions to the students with a CTC package of 12 lakhs per annum. In the core sector, eminent employers like Alstom, L&T, Tata Motors, Tata Projects, Mercados, EM, Ericsson, Godrej, ST Microtronics, Howells, Prism, Johnson Siemens, among others, offered employment to our students. The total percentage job offered was around 93% with an average salary of 7.12 lakhs per annum. Besides this, many other students have opted for higher studies in India and abroad. Few of our undergraduate students have also successfully started their own startup companies. More details and highlights about the institute training and placement activity will be provided to you by our training and placement person in charge. Even in the present pandemic year, this placement activity is on, though it is slightly got delayed, but the response is not bad, and many of the students are already got placed. Student activities, NIT Patna offers a vibrant and active participation of a student body with several opportunities being provided for co-curricular and extracurricular activities to nourish and develop your innate talents. A number of student clubs and student chapters of professional societies like SMI, SAE, ACE, CSI, IEEE, etc., and hosting a number of technical and cultural events throughout the year. Our students do participate actively in NSS, Speak Make, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, blood donation camps, extension programs like coaching of underprivileged school-going children are the regular practice here. Our students are also engaged in different innovative projects, competition, and have also designed and fabricated cars, presented their work in different competition organized by IITs and other national institutes, and won many prizes. To carry out experimental and developmental projects, the required grants are generously provided to students. Students are also encouraged to publish and present their research work in different national and international journals and conferences. And students are also funded to present their work outside, and they are also encouraged to participate in national level exams like GATE, and their examination fees are reimbursed through TechU program. My dear students, you know that you have, though you are not here, but you have joined this institute due to your hard work of several years, including for JEE at expense of your extracurricular activities, hobbies, social activities, cutting your quality time from your beloved family and friends. I do understand that a majority of you and your interest for studies is rather smothered by now. Moreover, even after succeeding in JEE and taking admission at this institute, a sizable number of you might still have a feeling, rather a sense of dissatisfaction, or sometime even some of you may be feeling that you are failure, that you could not succeed to get institute and branch of your choice, of your desire. But that is an endless process. My dear student, please do understand that that is an endless process. It depends, it is up to you whether you see backward or forward, whether you see how many students have been left behind who could not get opportunity to get this institute or get this branch, or you see those students who are ahead to you and get frustrated. Here I will caution you that your this mental state by seeing or by having a feeling that you could not get a better brand or better institute should not put so much pressure on you that cause a deterioration in your natural performance. It may lead to demotivation because this may further cause depression within you. There is a need to bring about a major shift in your aspiration and expectation now. You have to look ahead. You have to be practical. I can assure you that there are enough opportunities and avenues still open through your own present institute and your present position through which you can scale any height. You can fulfill your dream, provided you work toward it. What is needed at present is you have to encash the opportunity and choosing the right path available ahead to you, choosing a path, choosing the opportunity which are available in front of you instead of missing the opportunity and facility in frustration that you could not get something which you wished earlier. What it requires for this, it requires a revamp in your attitude, making your attitude far more hands-on and project-oriented. Your new curriculum enables projects. However, advantage needs to be taken by you students while choosing courses to take full benefit out of it. Do not choose subjects only for grades. We have tried to make more industry inputs in designing your courses. Some of the courses will also be supplemented by experienced people from the relevant industry who are present around us as our own alumni. Beside this, you can also choose more subjects of your liking from open sources like MOOC, SWAM, and NPTEL across the discipline, which is of your interest, where you want or your heart lies. No one is stopping you. Now, for overall growth of our student, we have got students, department and hostel executive committees. Participatory democracy has been ushered in. It is generating a lot of enthusiasm among the students, wherein students take decision about their own student life as well as participation in academic decision making. My dear student, I will not hesitate to mention and remind you once again in the last that most of you have two major reasons for joining these engineering courses at these NITs and IITs as a passport to get a secure a good job and ensure a good life and gain a respect in the eyes of society, in the eyes of friends and others. But just you see that both these are the external drivers of motivation. This is not of your own. Although different types, but certainly not your internal motivation. Your eternal satisfaction and dream may be something else. So irony is this, that your choice is not necessarily your own choice, but what you have been told to choose, you have chosen and you are there. So after joining an IIT or NIT, you students realize that passing JEE is not the finish, but it is continuation of something whose value you are unsure of. When you get down to studies, find that still a long way to go. You are unsure of your own goal about studies. Of course, presently you are not in the campus, you are all the off the campus with your parents, but we expect that very soon you will come to the campus, and when you come to the campus and you start your hostel life without close parental supervision make the things still worse. All the elements place for demotivation to set in. Stop you sometime. Some students stop studying, start missing classes. Their routine also gets very poor. So you have to ensure that such situations do not arise when you come to the campus. And even if there is some demotivation, you have to do the timely correction to come out from this situation. A multi-pronged approach is needed. What is needed from you student? You student must acknowledge of that area of study, language, society, relationship, and above all, you ensure to possess a good character. You should behave in a manner as you expect from other to behave towards you. You students should not have